YouTube goers, welcome to my channel, Baking and Buttercream. Today we're making caramel apples. So, let's take a break and bake. Okay, so like I said in the intro, we are making caramel apples.
Actually, William, it's caramel, not caramel.
No, caramel apples, not caramel. Sorry, my brother's a little crazy, so he always says caramel instead of caramel. Let me know down in the comments below if you say caramel or caramel. Now it's time to make these caramel apples. The ingredients you need are 4 to 5 apples of your choice, 2 cups of white sugar, a half a cup of heavy cream, a half a cup of water, 1/4 cup of corn syrup, 2 tablespoons of butter, a pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. For decoration you need chopped nuts of your choosing, cookie crumbs, and your favorite chocolates. The first step is that we're going to take some extra water and we're going to put it into the microwave till it gets really hot. We're going to do this so that we put our apples in them for 10 to 20 seconds to get off any waxy layers that we have in the apples. Because if we don't get that off, the caramel won't stick. We got our apples out of the water, we got off all the wax, and then we dried them off with a towel to get off any moisture. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add in our skewers, popsicle sticks, or forks if you forgot to get one of those things like I did, into our apples. Okay, so we added the forks into our apples, or popsicle sticks, or skewers, or whatever you have at home. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a tray and put parchment sheet over it and cover that with butter. You want a lot of butter on the parchment sheet. You do not want the caramel to stick to the parchment sheet. You want every bit of caramel apple goodness. Okay, so now we're gonna add our sugar, corn syrup, and water into a pot on the stove and heat it up on medium-low. You're gonna do this until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Whenever your sugar is completely dissolved, the bubbles will start going up on the sides of your pot. Then you're just gonna put your lid on top for about half a minute and take it off and let it cook until golden brown. Whenever your mixture on the stove has reached that golden brown caramelized color, you wanna take it off the heat and bring it to where your other ingredients are. Make sure you have a heat pad under it though so you don't burn your countertop. Then what you're gonna do, you're gonna add in your heavy cream, vanilla, 2 tablespoons of butter, and your pinch of salt, and mix that all together until it turns into that delicious caramel. After it's all done cooling, we're gonna put our apples in it and we're gonna cover every inch. We want every bite to have caramel goodness. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it onto our sheet with butter so that the caramel can harden on the apples so we can have delicious caramel apples. All right guys, this is the moment we've been waiting for. Not the taste test, but the decoration. This is the fun part where we get to use our chocolates, our chopped peanuts, and our cookie crumbs to decorate these wonderful looking caramel apples. Okay, so now it's time for the taste test. Now these all have the different things. They have the chopped nuts, they have the cookie crumbles, they have the 2 different types of chocolates on them. So now it's time to try one. Excuse me, I have to wipe my face. Now that I've got my face wiped after taking a delicious bite out of these caramel apples, I can tell you what I think of them. It has a delicious apple inside that's so juicy. Whenever you take a bite of it, you just want more. Like I said, I made 4 of these, but you can double the recipe, triple the recipe, or whatever. I even had a little bit of extra caramel left, put them on the side, and I cut them up into little cubes to give to my brother and dad because they really like caramel candies. But these caramel apples are so good. You should really try them. Thank you so much for watching this video of Baking and Buttercream. I'm so glad I was able to celebrate fall with you guys with creating a classic fall dessert, the caramel apple. So like always, don't forget to check down in the description box below where you can have to see my website link, my social media links, and my store link, which is actually built into my website. So make sure to click those down there so if you want anything I use in this video that you can get it. Like always, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video to everyone you know who likes fall. Don't forget to check out these videos right here. This one YouTube really thinks you'll enjoy. I think you'll really enjoy this one. So click one of these. Don't forget to click the little icon that's right here so that you can subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell so you get notified when I upload. All right, have a nice day.